Hey guys, Tech Arizona here. Over the past couple days, been getting a lot of good scrap. Like, got this TV, weighs probably around 100 pounds before I broke it. Already got all the wire out from it. That's copper. Just need to get the rest of this little board out. That'll be good, and then I'll toss that. It had a shell around it. For some reason, got a couple coffee machines that my uncle gave me. He also gave me that TV. He also gave me a heater right there. So, earlier this week, or last week I should say, found this little mobile barbecue pit. Going to post it on Craigslist for like 20 bucks. Come pick it up. But still solid. Not really any rust, except for on the major parts like the bolts, which they can be replaced. No rust on the bottom really, just straight from being heated up, constantly being exposed to weather. Got a washer and dryer with that. The washing machine had a bad mold or a gasket on it, and it had a lot of mold on it, so I couldn't sell it. It still worked, but I couldn't sell it or use it. But to tell you apart, got everything else. I was going to try to get the stainless drum out, but it's proven to be a pain in the ass. So, see about that. But the dryer's still good, and we're going to use that as soon as my current dryer dies. It's getting ready to go out. But last night I really scored. First off, got a lot of wire. This computer charger. Let's strip that. The computer's probably like an Acer or something. This Radio Shack RF modulator. I don't know what that's to, but these three things. Got a DeWalt battery charger. Got this angle grinder that still works. Just need to get a guard and a bolt and put a blade on it, and I can use that. And this little jigsaw still works. I just need to get a blade and a screw for that one, and that'll work. Got a TV last week. Took that apart. Got this big bundle of copper out, and a bunch of wire. Some of this is out of that TV. There's the motor or whatever for that washing machine. Pretty big. Current copper. All the aluminum blocks I've got, I need to get a bin for those. Found a thing full of these bits. Some of them are still good. Just gonna see if I can get the rust off them real easy and probably use those. And this is what I got last night. Starting off with good stuff. Found this bracelet. It's some sort of like pot metal or something, but still, it's really pretty. It has no markings on it. Got a spoon ring. It says like International Silver Plate or something like that on the inside. Let me refocus. I don't know what you're going to be able to see that, but International Silver Plate. Spoon ring. Pretty cool. Still in good condition. Gonna probably give that to a friend. Little pin. It says IDS. Oops. Timex watch. My first ever Zippo Slim. Still works. Just needs some fluid. (2006). I got 2 pocket knives. Both are Imperial. This one says Forest Master, so I'm probably going to keep that. Box cutter. Can use to strip some wire. Got 2 containers. They're already empty for the most part. I just threw my little stuff I got last night in it. Some more bits. 2 keys. Little vending machine key or something like that. Some little tiny screwdrivers I've been needing. And a couple drill bits. More drill bits. This is a little pin pusher. Push pins out of like watch bands and stuff. Couple, I forget what they're called, but a couple of these. This, I think that's a metric. One little wrench. Some extensions. Rare earth magnet. Got another little box here. Sony Crafter. Had some sort of Apple cable in it. And a couple of little other things. There's a razor blade that's never been used in a brass thing. Found a bunch of foreign currency mixed in with some modern. Like there's a Deutschland coin, some euros, tokens, French. That's pretty cool. And a Coca-Cola card playing set. Already pretty much sold that for $5. Earlier this week I got perfectly fine Ace Hardware, just got a couple little stains on the bottom. And last night I got a Home Depot bucket. All the stuff was pretty much together except this. This is solid copper, about 1/16 of an inch. That was left on a bin, but everything else was in the same bin. All that stuff. But pretty cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Happy hunting.